I'm so happy. Hey, subscribe button. Hey, Jesus. Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, and this is my first YouTube video. My name is Akishipe Muturayo, and the name of my page, Instagram page, is Rayo__gram. I'm Rayo the stylist. Well, I am an hairstylist, a digital creator, a computer science student. Yes, I'm a student of State University. Well, before I go further, please subscribe to my. Please click the subscribe button and press on the notification button, please. So this video is going to be unboxing. Like I told you, I'm a stylist. I just got the equipment I need, and it was stressful. Let me just be honest. I went to trade fair in Lagos. I don't know. Trade fair is a very big market, like that, like the major market in Lagos, and it was very stressful. They even banned me safe, and it wasn't funny. But I'll tell you guys about the whole journey and everything. So now let's get to the real business. Actually, my place is very far from trade fair. I spent like 3K on transport, and it was public transport because that road. So the first item I'm going to be showing you is this hair dryer, this hand dryer. So they got me. I was bad, to be honest, and I'm very sad about that because I first got to the man's shop and he was like telling me there is fake, there's the original, he knows the fake, he knows the original. So I put it in his hands to help me get it. Then he went to get it. By the time he got back, he said it was maybe 5K or so. Yes, he said it was 5K, and I paid without minding it. Then when I got to the main shop, I met it for 3,500 naira. Can you imagine that? I was glad of it's not 1.5 or so. Apart from that, this is the fake one. It was the fake that I sold for me as a good one, and I used it this morning. And it's actually nice, but the comb broke already. Like the comb that came with it broke already. Like my hair broke it, and it came with this stuff too. So this is the second item. This is a Cloud9 straightener, and I've heard a lot of reviews about Cloud9. But it looks very nice, and funny enough, it was like a very nice color, pink. So I hope I love it. This is another stuff. This is just recaps for installing, wigs, frontal closure, and whatever leave. Okay, so this are sets of combs. Well, it's for my hairdressing stuff. So let's move to the next. Rollers. We know what rollers are for. So this is a professional tonger. I don't know if it's tonga or whatever, tongue iron. It's just for coiling. And yes, pretty. This is a bending rollers for natural curls, any curls, just curls. They're all under curls. I got 2 of these. I don't know why I got the second one. This is just a big stand. This is a big stand. I don't need to use. These are clamps or clips. Yeah, butterfly clips. A large scissors. You always need scissors. It's a compulsory item. Like you always need the scissors. Like I don't even know the name of hand razor or something. Razor comb. I don't know the name, but I know I'm going to need it during installs. You guys are going to see beauty. It's got dislocated. I'm missing. I want to bring. It's it got misplaced or something during transition, because right now I'm in school. I'm doing KC, so I went all the way from Lagos through public transport, and it was not easy. Then a blow dry brush. It's used for blow drying. A blow dry brush. This it's very strong. Just is to blow dry. Got to be spray. You know, it's compulsory. Like, it is necessary for anything you are doing. We all know. This is a WEAVON brush, and it can also be used as a DENMAN brush. And yes, shower caps, they are necessary when steaming, when dyeing. Shower caps, I got like 12 of them. Then these beads, everybody loves hot comb. We like you know, the results of using hot comb on WEAVONs. Like, it's very nice. This one see the packaging is so strong, so even get it out. Okay, I really like this one. I just love it. I love it. Hot comb, I love it. So this product. Next is this lace. This is like lace that we used to make frontal closure. It isn't boxed, so then the tangling brush. This one, I'm excited. Like, I can't wait to use this on my hair. I just pray it brings out good results, because I think my hair is 4C or 4D. I don't even know if the color is actually too much. So this is spiral roller. Then bag of beads. You know that trending style now that is trending everywhere. Everybody's doing beads, so I got bag of beads. Then lace glue, ghost bond, and bolt hold. Those are the two lace glues that I see everywhere, that tested and trusted. So I'm also going to be doing like a video testing both of them, which one is better. Lace tint. Lace tint is for the dyeing of the lace to make it match with the skin color. That's what it's for, sure. I just bought one shade because I don't know how good it is. I just want to try it. Then hair milk, leave-in conditioner milk. I've not used this product before. I was introduced to it in the market, so I would like to try it and see it. Then just bonding glue, just small. I don't even need it, but I just bought it in case I will need it sometime. This is chalk. I don't want to open it. There's no use. Chalk just for marking when making wigs. That's what you use it for. This elastic band for laying that wig, melting that wig to make it, you know, skin. Yes, so please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and click the notification button. Please, please, please. This is Gorilla glue. Gorilla, some people call it gel, some people call it glue. There is a gel, it's hair gel for natural hair, and I heard it works wonders, so I can't wait to try it. Then I bought a set of hair wax. It's nice. I've used it for braiding and it's actually nice, and it was very cheap, very, very cheap, like almost half the price in trade fair. Then mousse, I don't know how to pronounce it. Mousse, ORS, olive oil mousse, and I feel it's going to be very nice. because I tried it on curly hair and it came out nice. So olive oil bleach powder. This is a bleach powder. This is for lifting colors. If I want to lift my colors, I'm still going to practice with my hair. I'm going to lift my colors. So it's for lifting colors. And the developer hydrogen peroxide. So is a 40%, 12%, 40 volume, 40 whatever. Hydrogen is a developer. WEAVON brush. Wax sticks. This hair wax for laying your hair whatever when you want to use the hot comb. Hair clips. This helps when styling. Just hold hair in place. So hair clips, yeah. Before I go on, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Subscribe. If you haven't subscribed, click that button now. Subscribe, please, and turn your post notification. Turn it on so that you know when I upload my next video. Just support me. Thank you. Then I got this heavy thing. It has weight like canvas head size 22. That there are different sizes though, so I just picked the one in the middle. I couldn't get more than one. You know, budget don't finish. Canvas head. And the last but not the least, gloves. Can use it when relaxing, can use it when dyeing, you can use it when bleaching hair, anything that requires your fingers, you could use it when doing that. Nylon, it's actually nylon gloves, so it's disposable after use. And I also got a shade of foundation, though that doesn't have to do with my hair stuff, but you know, sometimes I want to like make a bald cap wig, so I'll have to use foundation. I just got small foundation like that, and ventilating pin. This is not necessary. I can't really. It's like a crochet pin, but it's used for making frontals and closures with lace crochet pin. So that's all for today. Thank you for watching to the end, and I really appreciate you guys. I appreciate my subscribers. I appreciate those viewing this video for the first time, my first video. I appreciate everyone. Thank you. Please don't forget to subscribe. If you haven't subscribed, please click on the subscribe button, please, and put on your notification button. It's compulsory.